Most cordless tire inflators die after a few uses. They are often weak for serious car detailing. If you want to actually blow out a crump-filled interior or run a tornado without the motor screaming in your ear, you need a real compressor. Today, I'm showing you the 5 best portable units I've used in my shop that actually get the job done. I've ranked these from good to the absolute king of detailing compressors. Check the description box below for the links to all these units on Amazon to see the latest deals. Starting us off at number 5 is the California Air Tools Portable Air Compressor. Look, if you're working in a tight residential garage and your neighbors are the type to complain about a pin dropping, this is your lifesaver. It's tiny, it's light, and it's scary quiet. We're talking about 56 decibels. I can literally have a phone call right next to it while it's running. The downside? It's only got a 1-gallon tank. It's great for blowing out dust from vents or drying off a side mirror, but don't expect it to run a heavy air tool for long. It's the perfect entry-level pick for the weekend warrior. At number 4, we've got the Metabo HPT Ultra Quiet Portable Air Compressor. It has a very sturdy build construction. I've tossed it in the back of a truck, and it takes the hits without breaking a gauge. It's another ultra-quiet unit at 59 decibels, but it feels a bit more pro than the California Air Tools. The rubber feet actually stay put on a slick shop floor, which I love. It's still a small tank, so it's best for mobile guys who need something compact and reliable for light interior work. Moving to number 3, the Craftsman 6-gallon Pancake Air Compressor. Now we're getting into the real air capacity. This is the classic Pancake style you see everywhere, and for good reason. With 6 gallons, you can actually blow out a whole carpet without waiting for the motor to kick in every 10 seconds. It's got plenty of punch for drying wheels and emblems. It is louder than the first two, but the trade-off is that you get way more work done in less time. It's a solid mid-range workhorse that won't let you down. Number 2 is the Makita Quiet Series 2-gallon air compressor. This is where quality meets performance. Makita's Quiet Series is legendary in my shop. It's a 2-gallon tank, so it's still very portable, but the build quality is on another level. The motor runs at a lower RPM, which means it doesn't get scorching hot, and it lasts way longer. It's quiet enough for indoor use but powerful enough to handle serious detailing tasks. If you want a tool that's going to last you years of daily abuse, this is the one. And the number 1 spot goes to the DeWalt 6-gallon Pancake Air Compressor. This is the absolute beast of the group. It hits 165 max psi, which gives you that extra burst of air you need when you're trying to blast sand out of a deep pile carpet. The recovery time is lightning fast. When I'm using a tornador to deep clean seats, this is the only portable unit that keeps up without making me wait. It's rugged, the handle is balanced for easy carrying, and it just works every single time. It's the gold standard for a reason. And that's my lineup of the best air compressors for car detailing. Whether you need something whisper quiet or a high-pressure beast, one of these will change your detailing game. Check the links in the description below to check the latest deals on these air compressors on Amazon right now. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next gear breakdown. Drop a comment below and let me know, what's the one tool in your car setup you can't live without? See you in the next video.